There, it's recording.
It's recording right now.
Which we tell me when.
Okay, sir. Start the wheel, Tom.
Should be up to speed.
Okay. And then you can go ahead and stop the wheel.
Okay. Quill action. I can give you a quill.
Sure. Okay.
Spindle jog. You want a little more light for that?
No, that's good.
Okay.
And then you can, I'm going to just take a photograph of where you're at there. Which button is that?
That is
okay. That's the spindle jog, and then you're changing the speed on that, right?
Yes, I can.
By changing that.
Work spindle override.
Okay, slow that down again.
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Slow, controlled from 50 to 200%.
Okay. We have to close the door and go in the side to move the axes, right?
Correct.
All right. Well, let me step around the side.
Okay.
It's very hard to see.
Is it?
I
can get you some more light. So I have my other light here.
Oh, it's okay. I think it's more a matter of the frame, Tom. Move it in the X. Bring it in and bring it out in the X. Everything we're saying is being recorded, just so you know.
Yep. I can't see my end, so give me a holler.
Good. Don't go any further.
Okay, I'll take it back.
Go ahead back. Okay, what other magic tricks do you want to put it through? Let me do this. Let me move the control, and I'll take a picture of the display.
I think this is about as far as she could. No, you get that much.
Okay, we'll go ahead and move the axes, and we'll show them the display going. Okay, just so that they know we're doing that with control. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Something.
Okay, now he wanted to start.
You off for a minute? You're still running? Okay.
Yep. Okay, I'll shut it off now. Okay. Back, I'm recording again.
Okay.
Okay, so
angle
this is
axis.
Angle axis, which is both axes moving at the same time.
Yes.
And that's a toggle switch.
Controlled by this toggle. Correct.
Okay.
Now we're to one axis.
Okay. Okay, we're going to run the coolant pump, but we have no coolant in the system. So really all we can show is the coolant pump motor operating. Okay, that's the coolant pump. Okay, and you turned it off? Good. Okay, that's all we can really show of the coolant pump without having coolant in the machine. There's the lube pump, and the hydraulic pump, and the coolant unit. Okay. Take some pictures inside the boxes.
Yep.
Wow, a lot of stuff in there, huh?
Yeah. Very neat. Very neat.
Yeah, it is. Okuma does a nice job.
Yes.
Okay, there's the filter screen operating. I think that uses a paper filter too, doesn't it?
Yes, I believe on the roll on the end. It goes through the end roll for the paper.
Yep, and that's also rotating. Okay, so we have that screen moving.